Hello guys. I hope you are all well. Today I am gonna show you how to download Python on your PC. So let's start.
Zombie apocalypse.
Open any browser and type download Python for Windows. Click the first option. The link will also be provided in description. Click Download Python 3.9.4. Wait until it's downloaded. I already have it installed, so I'm not doing it. After the download is completed, go to your download section. Click the Python exe installer. I have already installed a version of Python, so the update option is showing me here. You will get an option for install. Click Customize Installation. Select all of them and click Next. Again, select all of them. You can change the installation path if you want. Click Install. Now the Python is installing. Now the Python is successfully installed. Click Close. Now let us verify the installation. Press Windows+R. Type CMD and press Enter. Now type Python _n version. Here you can see the current version of Python. If you face any type of problem, so comment down below. I will try to solve the problem. Thanks for watching. I'm going to start a Python course. Quickly subscribe to the channel with the bell notification on. See you in the next video. Bye.